Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to work with Monday Workdocs. Click the plus icon, then select Docs, and choose New Docs to create a document, or open an existing Workdocs to start editing. Before creating a new docs, consider naming it clearly with project or team identifiers. This makes it easier to find and organize your documents later. In Workdocs, you can add text, headings, bullet points, and numbered lists. Use formatting tools like bold, italics, underline, and highlights to make your content stand out. You can even embed tasks, boards, charts, or updates from Monday.com directly into your docs. Embedding tasks or boards allows you to link real-time project updates directly in your document. This keeps your team informed without switching between multiple pages. Collaborate in real time with your team, add comments, or use @mentions to notify teammates instantly. Every change is saved automatically, and you can access version history to track edits or restore previous versions. Regularly check version history before major changes to ensure no critical information is overwritten. Encourage your team to leave comments rather than editing directly for important sections. This improves accountability and transparency. Workdocs makes collaboration easier, improves team communication, organizes information in one place, and helps track project progress efficiently. Combine Workdocs with Monday.com dashboards to get a visual summary of all your embedded tasks and charts, making project tracking even more efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.